So here's how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser, and then here you have to simply type in Amazon affiliate sign up, and after that you have to click on this sign up link. Once you click on this link, now it will take you to a form where you have to enter all of your details. Once you have entered all of your details, now here simply you have to click on the next. After that, here at this page you have to simply type in your website URL, or you can also paste your app URL and then click on the add. Now scroll down and click on the next option. Now here you have to simply check no. Then you have to scroll down and go to the next. When you click on the confirm option, now it will take you to another page where you have to add your payment details. Once you successfully added all of your information, now you have successfully signed up for Amazon affiliate program. So that's how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program.